Hey girl, hey, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome. For those who don't know me, my name is LUVMEHAIR. And for those who know me, hey girl, how you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. Yeah, it's your girl back with another video, back with another tutorial. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. So, of course, first things first, hair sponsored by LUVMEHAIR. Shout out to them for always keeping your girl booked and busy, period. Here are all the... Oh, girl, I can't talk today. But here are all the goodies you can find inside the box once you receive a cute little package from LUVMEHAIR. Yes, ma'am. Okay, right into the main character herself. All right, y'all. So this hair right here is different. Now, you know your girl is always open to trying some different things. But, you know, Love Me was like, they're trying to like push my limits right now. But not in a bad way. Like, you know, like let's see you in a different thing. And I love it. So, of course, per usual, their wigs come pretty equipped with, you know, clips and an adjustable strap. Oh, I cannot talk. But yes, with adjustable straps, so you know, all that good stuff to keep you secured. But okay, right into the install. So y'all know I always start off with the hairspray, you know, so because we got to get the lace, well, not the lace, the wig cap to stick to our scalp. So that is always my first step. So you take your time with that, spread the spray all around the circumference of your head, and y'all always know what comes next. Blow dryer. Okay, that's what's gonna get your hair to sit and stick. Yeah. So yeah, so fast forward to now. So I just go ahead and cut off the excess lace, as you can see me do. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you watch me cut my excess lace. Okay. Okay, I hope that was therapeutic. I'm back. Yeah. So now I just go ahead and take my wig and try to kind of, you know, line up my lace with my wig cap just to be sure of, you know, where the lace is going to go down. And then I go back in and try to cut the little excess pieces that are going, you know, that are not going to be needed. Yeah. Then now I go back in with my spray once more because now I want to, you know, really secure my wig cap. So for some reason, parts of my wig cap was lifting. So take your time when using the blow dryer, otherwise it will come off. And we don't want it to come off because it's supposed to stick to your head. Yeah. But yeah, so this is just me going back in with my foundation and just kind of blending in my lace on my wig, so you know I can get that little brownish look, because you know I'm a brownie. Yes, I am. And it's supposed to look like this. Bam. Then I go in. So once that's dry, you just go back in and do the same thing on your wig cap, you know, because we want to make sure it looks invisible, so it looks like it's coming out of the scalp. Yeah. So this method you see me doing right now is kind of a method that I use to kind of melt my wig cap into my skin so it doesn't have like a line. You get what I'm saying? You can kind of see what the difference is, right? Yeah, so it gives you just a little smooth canvas to place your wig on it, right? Right. So yeah, so now it's time to put the bad BDB on. Yeah, so it's giving scalp. Yes, it is. It's giving see-through. That's how we like it. But like I was telling you guys earlier, y'all, like Love Me Hair has been sending me wigs that are like I've never tried before, which I'm so grateful for, because it gives me the opportunity to try hairstyles I actually wouldn't try, I wouldn't actually buy by myself. So this hair right here, this is one of the shortest hairs I've ever tried. I'm not even a pixie girl. I'm a bob girl, don't get me wrong, but this wouldn't be considered a bob, is it? Like, I don't know. It's given more like, it's more like the pixie cut side, but like curly. But yeah, so as my lace wig is drying, I'm just went back in and brushed the curls out. Y'all know one thing about me, I'm gonna brush the curls out because I like a little puff puff. Yeah, I like big hair. So I really couldn't understand the styling of the hair, or at least I couldn't understand how to properly style it. I actually did some research to see how the other girls wore it, and it wasn't anything like, oh my god, right? So there's only so much you could do with this hair because of how long it is. But if you just saw me, spray my got to be glue, so that's kind of a method that I use like right now, and then going with the hot comb, it just helps the hair get a little shinier and it keeps the part in place. Yeah, if you get what I'm trying to say. For my lace to properly dry, I just go back in with a little more water, because since we're dealing with a curly babe, you can never go wrong with a little bit of water. Because y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really know how to start this. So I was like, okay, you can never go wrong with adding a little bit of spritz here and spritz there. But the hair is super cute, y'all. It's a different look, and I really like it. So if you're, into this is it, y'all. I have a discount code, which is LUX25 at checkout. All the information and the link to the wig is in the description box below. And be sure to use my discount code and get you some dollars off, okay? And like, these wigs are pretty affordable, y'all. Like, super affordable. So yeah, I'm just going back in right now. I added a little bit of gel on the damp hair to kind of define the curls a little more, and just kind of let it dry for a little bit. Voila, this is kind of what you get at the end, using my little technique and method. But yeah, so as I'm putting in the concealer, you always gotta go back in and use a brush to kind of blend it in, because you guys can see what I see, right? So we don't want that. No, we don't want that. So make sure you blend in that concealer real nice. Go back in with your foundation and you blend in, the lace, the edges, make everything look just like it's coming out of your head. And one thing about Love Me Hair, they're not big on baby hairs, and which is kind of hard for me because I am a baby hairs girl. So these installs are things that I'm still learning altogether, to be honest. But I'm getting into the no baby hair looks, kind of. Oh yeah, so here I'm just using some alcohol to kind of wipe away the excess glue, and then yeah, I went ahead and used a blow dryer to kind of expedite the drying, because I wanted the hair to have a little more volume, and it worked out pretty good, honestly. Really good. And voila, this is kind of what I ended up with, y'all. Super cute, right? I know it's super cute, but I'm just gonna take this time to thank y'all so much for watching me. All the information are in the description box below, and thank y'all again for watching. And girl, if you haven't subscribed by now, go ahead and subscribe and join the vibes, okay? All right, thanks y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video. Y'all take care of yourself. Goodbye.